At Lumiere Clinic, we have 3 excellent Cutera laser systems that our patients love. Our most popular laser system is the Cutera XLV Plus laser, which is great at tackling redness and prominent veins. It's a great laser system for patients with rosacea, uneven skin tone, patients who want to have an overall skin rejuvenation, and also acne scars. We have so many happy patients using this system, and it allows us to treat a range of skin conditions that we see in our clinic day in and day out. We also have one of the most advanced laser systems out there to tackle pigmentation and for tattoo removal, and that's the Enlighten SR picosecond laser. This laser is great for patients with melasma, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, benign moles, and freckles. It also has a resurfacing mode to improve uneven skin texture and acne scars. The unique feature about this laser is that it uses a photoacoustic effect to shatter pigmentation, so it's extremely safe for patients with skin of color. In terms of tattoo removal, we have seen that with this laser, patients require fewer treatment sessions than a Q-switch laser to get the desired results. We now have the AviClear laser, which is FDA approved to treat acne for the long term. As a clinic where we see a lot of acne patients day in and day out, this laser is a great alternative treatment option for our patients who don't want to be on medications for their acne.
I've just had my second session of AviClear, had about a week and a half ago. The changes that it's made in my skin already are amazing. I've noticed I'm not getting as many spots. My skin, just the texture of it just seems a lot like flatter, like clearer. I'm really impressed. I've got my next one in about 2 and a bit weeks. The appearance in my skin, I'm really impressed, really am.
AviClear is a revolutionary treatment for acne because it has a very specific wavelength to target the sebaceous glands, which is the core of acne. How our clinic is unique is that we do a lot of combination therapies where we combine medical treatments with laser technologies to enhance patients' results. We know from a lot of published literature that combination therapies often give better treatment outcome to patients as compared to monotherapy. We've also developed a unique treatment protocol to tackle hand rejuvenation and pigmentation on the back of the hands. We combine the use of a gentle chemical peel with 2 laser technologies by Cutera, which are the Cutera Enlighten SR picogenesis and also the XLV Plus laser genesis to improve the overall skin quality and skin tone on the back of the hands. As a dermatologist, I see patients with other dermatological conditions, and I've developed a novel way of using AviClear laser to treat patients with hidradenitis suppurativa, which shares a similar pathophysiology to acne and is also called acne inversa.